Are you ready to master the art of saving money effortlessly while watching your bank account flourish? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to share with you 10 ingenious tips to save $10,000 in just 6 months. Yes, you heard that right. Tip 1. Diversifying your portfolio. Picture this: you've worked hard to save and invest your money, only to see market volatility wipe out a significant portion of your portfolio. This is where diversification comes into play. By spreading your investments across a variety of assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities, you can minimize the impact of market fluctuations on your overall wealth. Diversification is like building a sturdy financial fortress that can weather any economic storm. One of the primary benefits of diversification is risk reduction. By investing in different asset classes that do not move in tandem with each other, you can lower the overall risk of your portfolio. This means that even if one sector takes a hit, your other investments can help offset potential losses. Diversification not only helps in reducing risk but also in maximizing returns. By spreading your investments, you have the opportunity to capture gains in various markets and sectors. This way, you are not reliant on the performance of a single asset class for your financial growth. Whether you are saving for retirement, a home, or your children's education, diversification is key to achieving your long-term financial goals. By maintaining a diversified portfolio, you can ensure steady growth and stability over the years, even as market conditions change. Another crucial aspect of diversification is asset allocation. By determining the right mix of assets based on your risk tolerance, investment horizon, and financial goals, you can create a well-balanced portfolio that aligns with your individual needs and aspirations. In conclusion, diversifying your portfolio is not just a recommendation, it is a necessity for any serious investor. By spreading your investments wisely and strategically, you can protect your wealth, maximize your returns, and secure a brighter financial future. Remember, the key to successful investing lies in diversification. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Tip 2. Harness the power of compounding. Imagine this: a single seed planted today can flourish into a mighty tree providing shade for generations to come. Similarly, compounding allows your money to grow exponentially over time, turning small investments into substantial wealth. The power of compounding lies in its snowball effect. The earlier you start, the greater your financial gains will be. By reinvesting your earnings, you can accelerate the growth of your wealth and achieve your financial goals sooner than you ever thought possible. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to these inspiring individuals who have harnessed the power of compounding to secure their financial future and live life on their own terms. Now, let's crunch some numbers. By making regular contributions to your investments and allowing them to compound over time, you can witness the magic of exponential growth in action. It's not magic, it's math. Whether you choose stocks, bonds, real estate, or a combination of assets, compounding works its wonders across all investment vehicles. The key lies in staying disciplined, diversified, and committed to your financial plan. In conclusion, compounding is not just a concept, it's a proven strategy for building lasting wealth and financial security. Start today, start small, and let time be your greatest ally in the journey towards financial abundance. Tip 3. Budgeting like a pro. Budgeting isn't just about cutting back on expenses, it's about allocating your resources thoughtfully to reach your financial goals. So, grab your pen and paper, or better yet, your favorite budgeting app, and let's get started. Take stock of your income and expenses. By understanding where your money is coming from and where it's going, you can make informed decisions about how to allocate it effectively. Break down your expenses into categories like housing, transportation, groceries, and entertainment. Then, prioritize your spending based on what matters most to you. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable expense. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account so that you're consistently building towards your financial future. Look for ways to trim unnecessary expenses without sacrificing your quality of life. Whether it's meal prepping to save on dining out or tackling DIY projects, every penny saved adds up. Remember, budgeting like a pro is a skill that takes time and practice to master. By taking control of your finances and making informed decisions, you're setting yourself up for a financially secure future. So, here's to budgeting like a pro. Tip 4. Setting clear financial goals. Setting clear financial goals is like creating a roadmap to your dreams. It gives you direction, purpose, and a clear path to follow. Without goals, it's easy to lose track and veer off course. When you have clear financial goals, you have something to strive for, something to keep you motivated even when times get tough. It gives you a laser focus on what you need to do to achieve your dreams, and it holds you accountable for your actions. One of the most effective ways to set clear financial goals is by using the SMART goal-setting framework. This means your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By following this framework, you ensure that your goals are well-defined and realistic. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to take control of your financial future and set clear goals that will lead you to success. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and that step starts with setting clear financial goals. Tip 5. Seeking professional advice. Are you feeling overwhelmed by the complexity of your current situation? Do you find yourself in need of guidance from a professional to navigate the challenges ahead? You're not alone. Seeking professional advice is not a sign of weakness, but a smart move towards achieving your goals and overcoming obstacles. Join me on a journey as we explore the importance of seeking expert counsel in various aspects of life. Whether it's financial planning, career development, or personal growth, having a trusted advisor by your side can make all the difference. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have a seasoned professional guiding you toward success. From financial advisors who can help you secure your future, to career coaches who can steer you towards your dream job, and life coaches who can empower you to unlock your full potential, the options are endless. Tip 6. The value of patience. In a world that thrives on instant gratification, patience is a virtue often overlooked. But what if I told you that patience is not just a virtue, but a superpower? We live in a fast-paced society where everything is just a click away. But amidst the chaos and hurry, the value of patience shines brighter than ever before. Patience is the key to unlocking a world of inner peace and tranquility. It teaches us to slow down, breathe, and appreciate the beauty that surrounds us. When we cultivate patience, we become more resilient in the face of adversity. We learn to embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Patience is not about waiting for things to happen, but about actively working towards our goals with unwavering determination and grace. Tip 7. Automate your savings. Are you tired of struggling to save money? Do you wish there was an easier way to build your wealth and secure your financial future? Well, you're in luck because today, I'm going to show you the ultimate solution: automating your savings. Picture this: you set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account every month without having to lift a finger. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Automating your savings is the key to financial peace of mind. We've all been there. The end of the month rolls around, and you realize you've spent way more than you should have. But with automated savings, you can say goodbye to those worries. By setting up regular transfers, you ensure that a portion of your income goes straight into your savings account, no questions asked. The best part? You won't even miss the money. It's like a hidden savings account that grows without you even realizing it. And before you know it, you'll have a nice little nest egg waiting for you in case of emergencies or for that special purchase you've been dreaming of. Tip 8. Review and adjust regularly. Picture this: you set ambitious goals, create a detailed plan to achieve them, and work tirelessly towards your dreams. But what if I told you that the missing ingredient to success lies in something as simple as reviewing and adjusting your progress regularly? By taking the time to review your actions, goals, and strategies, you not only stay on track but also identify areas for improvement. It's like giving your goals a tune-up to ensure they're running smoothly toward success. In a fast-paced world where distractions abound and priorities shift, the ability to adapt and adjust is crucial. Think of it as recalibrating your compass to stay true to your desired destination. Whether you're a business owner, a student, or simply someone striving for personal growth, the practice of regular review and adjustment sets apart the achievers from the dreamers. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to those who have unlocked the power of consistent reflection and refinement. Success leaves clues, and this is a key one you don't want to overlook. Tip 9: Educate yourself. Hello, world. Are you ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment? Education yourself is not just a video, it's a manifesto for those hungry for knowledge, thirsty for growth, and ready to transform their lives. Join me as we dive deep into the realm of endless possibilities, armed with nothing but our curiosity and passion for learning. From mastering new skills to exploring uncharted territories of the mind, education yourself is your ticket to personal and professional success. Let's break free from the shackles of ignorance and mediocrity, and embrace a life filled with growth, fulfillment, and purpose. Are you ready to unlock your full potential and become the best version of yourself? The time is now, the choice is yours. Education yourself, because the greatest investment you can ever make is in yourself. Let's make every moment count. Stay curious. Stay hungry. Stay educated. Tip 10: Set specific savings goals. We all know the importance of saving money, but how many of us actually have specific goals in mind? Goals that motivate us to take action and make our financial dreams a reality. Without clear savings goals, it's easy to fall into the trap of mindlessly spending our hard-earned money without a plan for the future. But it doesn't have to be that way. Setting specific savings goals is the key to financial success. It gives us direction, purpose, and a roadmap to follow on our journey to financial freedom. One of the most effective ways to set goals is to follow the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By following these principles, we can ensure that our goals are clear, actionable, and realistic. So there you have it, 10 effortless ways to save $10,000 in just 6 months. Are you up for the challenge? Let's make those savings goals a reality. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-saving tips and tricks. Together, we can make saving money a breeze. Thanks for watching.